kind of 4 gigabytes. Yeah. So here we are. Today we try to introduce to our students the world of cybersecurity. As cybersecurity is becoming a more and more relevant domain today, we need to make sure that the future digital leaders understand that we need security at the beginning. People is asking me, Sergio, why you are teaching cybersecurity to young people, you know, students with 15, 16, 17 years old? And I said, well, it's very important because from one side, we don't find cybersecurity experts, so we have to create them. From another side, we have to introduce to younger people, especially people that is interested in technology, that security have to be at the beginning. You have to add the security to your solutions, and for that you need to learn, you need to understand. Another consideration is that, of course, security or cybersecurity is not a sexy subject. Youngers want to learn how to build video games or how to build mobile apps or websites. They don't necessarily want to understand on cybersecurity, so you have to create a context. And that's what we do in LTS. We create context coming from those domains that they know, like building apps or games, to introduce the need of security, and especially in cybersecurity. And then we motivate them to go into the really hard ethical hacking. And that is what we were doing here in this week.